Go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, 12 seconds into this autonomous period. We're going to get friendly. I am the MC. I have the best seat in the house for these matches. Let me remind you, these are the best of the best, the top 7% in the world. Red line stakes, your autonomous bonus. 3, 2, 1, tele-up. These teams have all qualified here, being state champions or excellence award winners or design award winners or one of the many other awards they could have won that qualified them for this Worlds. They are all winners at this point. The question is now, who's the best? That's what these teams are all trying to prove. Luckily, the science division is the best of all of the divisions, and we're going to go into Freedom Hall tomorrow, and we're going to take it all. 1 minute and 15 seconds left to play. There is a bit of stationary red goal scoring. Blue Alliance able to score in their 20-point zone. 8-1-1-4. One of the Blue Alliance robots not moving at the moment, maybe playing a little bit of strategic defense. 7842B with a little stack, looking to get some more from their loader. One of the red robots, 3050A, grabbing a cone and putting it on a mobile goal. 7842B with a large stack. Going up and over, driving slowly, maneuvering carefully. Trying to align and figure out how they want to score in these last 30 seconds. The Blue Alliance both in the field. We might have had 4 robots just disconnect at the same time. But they are back to action. All right, looks like we're back in action.